Hello everyone, this is my review of the RYOBI Slime Line Compact Battery Charger. This is a great charger to use when you're, say, traveling with your tools and you don't want to take the bigger charger. This is a compact, light charger you can have, and it can be charged with USB as well. It charges their batteries fairly quick, and I'll show you it on the battery in a minute. I got it plugged into the wall now, but like I said, you can use a USB charging on the other side to charge it. But let me show you it on the battery now. Okay, here's the battery. This is a 40-volt battery. You just slide this on the battery and it will start charging. You can see how compact it is. You can just take this, and it's portable when you have to travel with your tools. Anyway, I hope this review helps.